How about hot?
Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, what letter?
H.
H. Very good. How about bird?
L.
Oh, what letter?
K.
K. K. K. Bird. Anong bird?
B. B. Bell.
B. 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 How about fish? Oh, what letter? What letter? What letter? Fish. What letter nga? Anong letter yon? Ang kulit naman ito. Akin na nga, give me the key. Oh, anong letter ng fish? Oh, anong letter? F. Very good. How about electric pan? Electric pan. Oh, anong letter? Ala, A daw eh. Electric pan eh. How about sleepers? Oh, anong letter? Anong letter? Ay, give me the key. Ayo, anong letter? Sleepers. Oh, anong letter? Oh, anong letter? Oh, anong letter? Tagang hirap naman kausapin itong batang ito eh. Tamo, ano?